Hi! In this video, we are taking a look at the Kriega US-10 Drypack mounted on the CF-Moto 450MT, also known as the Ibex 450, using the Perun Moto top luggage rack. The US-10 is a compact 10-liter waterproof tail bag. It works great as a day pack, just enough space for the basics. The roll-top closure keeps everything dry, while the minimal design keeps things simple and practical. The Perun Moto top luggage rack offers more than enough support for a bag of this size. The US-10 sits nicely within the rack footprint, resulting in a clean and stable setup. For mounting, we are using the Kriega OS-Rack Loops. Thanks to the countersunk holes on the rack, the loops can be installed from below, leaving the top surface completely flat. This requires M6 countersunk bolts, which are not included with the rack or the OS-Rack Loops. Installation starts by positioning the OS-Rack Loops on the underside of the rack, oriented as shown. Insert the countersunk bolts from above and thread them into the loops. Tighten them just enough to keep everything in place while still allowing some movement in the hypalon loops. Repeat for all 4 positions. Before continuing, route the hypalon loops through the nearby slots at the back. To keep the hardware secure over time, we are using a flat washer and a safety nut on the underside. The other option is to add a drop of mild thread locking agent to the OS-Rack Loops. Next, attach the G-hook straps as shown, making sure the straps are straight and not twisted. After that, place the bag onto the rack, close the buckles, and on the roll-top side, route the straps underneath the roll-top loop. This detail helps keep the bag from shifting or coming loose and makes it easier to open the bag once it's mounted. Central strap can be routed through the slot on the side of the rack. This adds one more layer of redundancy. Once all 4 straps are connected, tighten them evenly until the bag is held firmly against the rack. This mounting system works best when the bag is fully packed. When it's only partially filled, it can be harder to properly tension the G-hook straps and keep the bag firmly in place, since the straps don't wrap all the way around it. Finish by securing the excess strap length using the integrated keepers, so nothing is left loose. And that's it! The US-10 forms a neat, compact and stable luggage setup on the CF-Moto 450MT, ideal for carrying just the essentials. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for choosing Perun Moto.